To connect your generator to a Wi-Fi network, first go to the generator, unlock it, and raise the cover. Locate the control panel and press the off button. Press the escape button to access the control panel's main menu. Select Setup Wi-Fi, then press the Enter button. The generator may display Set to App for up to 3 minutes. When the controller displays Set up Wi-Fi now, the generator is now prepared for connection. Download, install, and open the mobile link for Generator's app. Tap the Get Started button. Choose the option, I need to connect a home standby generator to Wi-Fi. Then select Connect Now, followed by the integrated Wi-Fi option. When your screen shows, what does the display on your generator say? Select the option Set to App. Next, wait until you see a timer appear on the screen. Then verify that a timer and the listed message is rotating on the generator's controller screen. If this is displayed, select Yes, Connect Now. Mobile Link will begin searching for a nearby MLG network. This may take a few seconds. When the connection to the network is completed, the app will request confirmation of the MLG network name. Verify the displayed MLG network name is correct and select Continue. A list of available Wi-Fi networks should be displayed. If a list does not automatically appear, tap the option Refresh List of Available Networks. Choose the Wi-Fi network name, which the generator should be connected to. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network that was selected in the previous step, then press the Submit button. The app may take a few additional moments to send the configuration to the generator. Once completed, the configuration sent screen will then appear. The generator has now been successfully connected to the selected Wi-Fi network. It may take up to 15 minutes for information to update in the Mobile Link app.